Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to change graph color in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all you have to do is have a specific data within your Excel spreadsheet. In this case, we have our electricity bill graph over here. Now, to change the color, all you have to do is click on the bar graph itself or the elements within the bar graph. Double click and the format data point should show. To change the actual colors, all you have to do is click on the fill and line option and collapse the fill option. Now that we have that, we can change the color of our elements within our graph. We can either choose no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, or any other fill on the list. Now, to actually change the color, all you have to do is go to the bottom part over here that indicates the fill color icon and go ahead and choose any color that you want. If this isn't enough, go ahead and choose the more colors option and you can freely choose whatever you want within this color palette. You can either mix the RGBs right here or just type the hex code for a specific color that you want. For this sample, let's choose this color. And once we are contented with that, let's just click OK. And there we have it. We can also try to change the color one by one by letting them have different colors for any distinct value. You can do so by clicking on the vary colors by point. And there we go. But since we prefer the original one, let's go back to the solid fill option. And there we have it. This is how we change the graph color in Microsoft Excel.